In my previous YouTube video, I have to introduce how to use the AI LLM to help us to analyze the vulnerability scan result. Okay, so I have the program Nmap AI program here, so that you can scan a vulnerability host, and then the result of the scan result will fit into the LLM model to LLM to analyze the result and give you some recommendation. And I also have this one have the PCAP file. Okay, you have the PCAP file, and then you have, for example, you have captured some malware traffics, and then you want to analyze if this is a malware. Then you can also fit the PCAP package to the LLM to analysis to give you the result. Okay, so this is the I also put it the program. I also put it in the PCAP AI here. We have AI here, so that your program. But now I have also modified the program because this program you need to use the Ollama server at the back end. Okay, so for the student lab, they do not have the student may do not have the resources to deploy their own Ollama server with the GPU card, etc., and the download model. But there is some way to access the LLM. For example, I have mentioned before the OpenRouter. The OpenRouter, there's a lot of model here. Uh, some they charges the cost here, but some they are free. They are free here. For example, this one is free here. Okay, you may try it. Okay. Of course, this free model have some limitation compared with some paid model, but you can have if the lab section, you can use this as a demonstration. So that I modified the program so that they can use the OpenRouter free model instead. Okay. So for example, I have let me show you. For example, it's a student VM here. Is a VM here. Okay, so first you need to install the dependency, and also you can export your OpenRouter API key here. Okay, so you can, for example, this one can go into your, if you just apply an account in the OpenRouters with your Google account here, and then you can go into the key here, and then you can create your API key here. Okay, once you get an API key, and then you can just export here, and then use the program here. So for example, in the previous demonstrations, I have a MS vulnerability scan for vulnerability host here. Okay, it will give you the result, and this is the port 21, is the FTP, and the Nmap, I use the vulnerability script to see, okay, it identify it is have a vulnerability with this one, but with this information, you do not have no idea what this exploit is. Okay, but now you can try to fit this output to the LLM, so that I run this Nmap AI OpenRouter version here. Okay, so I will scan a particular port 21 here. Then because this is a very old vulnerability, so that I do not need to search for any update information. So 2 here. And then there's a lot of free model here from the OpenRouter. Okay, I choose 2 here. So this is the cost 4, very fast here. And it will scan the vulnerability host, and then the result of the scan will fit to the OpenRouter cost 4 model, LLM model, to see if there's not set here. So that I need to set the vulnerability scan here. So okay, now after I export our OpenRouter's API key, then I run it again. So I run it into the 2 here, and port 21 here, and then no here. Do not need to search. I can choose 52 here, 2 here. So the way we'll scan the result, and then pass it to the growth for LLM to analysis. And also we give you a recommendation how to deal with these vulnerability holes and how defense your network. Okay, so it will give you the finding. Okay, the big finding so that he can identify it's outdated and there is a well-known backdoor vulnerabilities, so that this is well-known vulnerabilities. And also give you the recommendation to action to follow up here. And then also it will save the result to this MD, the markup program, so that you can save it. And also I have also demonstrates, for example, I can identify this whole portfolio one have vulnerabilities, and then I can run the msfconsole to do some hacking. Okay, while I'm doing some hacking, I can also see. Now I see the interface. So this is the interface of the vulnerability host. Then I can TCP down this interface, capture all the package, and write to a vsdp.pcap here, so that I can, when I do the pen test here, then I can capture all the attack package to this PCAP file. Okay, then I PC dump here, and then I will do the attack here, just like before. So I search the with FTP here, use one here, and then you need to set the out host. Yeah, need to set the out host. I show the option here. Then I can do the run here. Okay, so that they will try to find shell. They can exploit. Okay, find shell here, and then they get a command shell here. So then you can type ID. That is, you get into that's host name. So this is the host name. Then I can cat the password file. I also can cat the shadow file ID here. So this is the hack in here. So I leave here. Okay. So now I can capture. There's a capture so many here. Okay. Then I can view, for example, view this package here. View this package here. They can give me some information, but I do not have no idea what this is all about here. Then you can fit this PCAP file to the LLM to analysis, so that we have the file here. Okay, so you can just fit the this file. This file is we just capture while we do the pen test to vulnerability host here, and then we will ask you which model. I think I've used this model again, pretty tools, this model, and then because it's very old hacking, so that I do not need to search for any update information. Now they will read the TCP down package from this PCAP file, and then to try to analyze is there any hacking activities or pattern that's in this PCAP file. Then it will give you the recommendation so that it will see that they can know that it's the backdoor. It's the backdoor. It identify it's the backdoor and identify it is the attack detail. Okay, summary of finding that they go to they even can recap what command I have done, what command I have done in the various hosts here, and then give you the attacking IP and also could give you some recommendation measure. Okay, example, you set the IPS rule to block or detect, etc. And also they can save the result in this map file. Okay. Of course, this is only a reference. Okay, the LLM is not almighty something. They may have error, but somehow if you do not have no idea what this PCAP file or maybe some you want to have some preliminary study, that is a good very good tools to give you some reference to see if this is really a hacking material. This is and also you can consider their countermeasure and the follow-up job. Okay, so I have already put the this program into this my GitHub. You can go to the pen test, the PCAP API, PCAP API, and then I also have many sample of the malware, and this is the open router, so that you can, if you do not have a Ollama server or GPU card to run it, then you can just apply a free account. You can use just your Google account to sign into your open router, and then create a API key, and then use the free model to do the lab. Okay, so hope you enjoy this. You can just try it if you have some VM AWS instance. Let's say that I have this instance here. Okay, you run this instance here, then you can in that instant you can just download my PCAP AI or Nmap AI. Try to see if how the AI. You can also through other LLM. They may have other LLM suitable. I use this one is fast here, but you can also try in other. For example, they have a QBAN, say, and DeepSeek, etc., and Gemini, etc. You can try it. Okay.